a man found a cocoon of a butterfly. One day, a small opening appeared. He sat there and watched the butterfly for several hours as it struggled to force its body through that little hole until it suddenly stopped making any progress and looked like it was stuck. So the man decided to help the butterfly. He took a pair of scissors and snipped off the remaining bit of the cocoon. The butterfly then emerged easily, although it had a swollen body and small shriveled wings. The man did not think anything of it and sat there waiting for the wings to enlarge to support the butterfly. But that did not happen. The butterfly spent the rest of its life unable to fly, crawling around with tiny wings and a swollen body. Despite the kind heart of the man, he did not understand that the restricting cocoon and the struggle needed by the butterfly to get itself through the small opening were God's way of forcing fluid from the body of the butterfly into its wings to prepare itself for flying once it was out of the cocoon. Our struggles in life develop our strengths. Without struggles, we never grow and never get stronger. So it's important for us to tackle challenges on our own and not by relying on help from others. Where there is no struggle, there is absolutely no progress. Just because those around you do not constantly tell you what they are going through in their life, it does not mean that they are living in a fairy tale. When it hurts, observe, because life is trying to teach you something new. Struggle is the nature's way of strengthening. You cannot go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. Sometimes life is about risking everything for a dream no one can see but only you. This is Obscure Victory. Thanks for watching. Take care and keep up the good work.